Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Rangba jongka jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka nyau teru jembang arajar arpuai. Ulah hiar East Garo Hills District ban syong cingalang berki ofisar jongka tenat ka koi kakya nak benta banwat gilat kilenti gi bala ante lakam ya ka jing sapriang jong uknyang jingpang COVID-19 hakni district ka badan Harilom Garo. Hakni gi jingalang ka balang ha William Nagar lai don langru u Deputy Commissioner jongka East Garo Hills District u Swapnil Tembe ringkat ki ofisar nak ka office jong u District Medical and Health Officer lembat kiwe-kiwe kinong tere jong kisnat rekam ke Sorkar Jila.
So I came to William Nagar today to review the overall COVID situation in East Garo Hills district and particularly in William Nagar, the headquarters. The review was attended by the Deputy Commissioner and other officials from the health department. And in the presentation, they give details about the current situation of COVID in the district. Overall, the situation seems to be under control as of now. There are about 44 active cases, and one of them is hospitalized as of now, but not in ICU as such. And overall, the district has approximately about 23 beds that has been dedicated for COVID, but we need to expand that, and therefore in the review we discussed on what are the requirements to expand the overall infrastructure in the district hospitals, and also we stressed on the need for vaccination and that people should come forward and vaccinate more. So we have urged the leaders of the religious leaders as well as the community leaders to help improve the overall vaccination program, and they were also part of the meeting. Apart from that, so we have urged the leaders of the religious leaders as well as the community leaders to help improve the overall vaccination program, and they were also part of the meeting. Apart from that, we also have stressed again on the fact that we need to maintain our protocol and ensure that there is no surge in the number of cases of COVID in the near future in East Garo.